Let's go back to the code. Now, what you're going to have to do for this week's homework assignment is to write a loop that will print out all the numbers between 1 and 50 that are divisible by 3. Now, we did division in a previous video. If you did not see that, go back and watch that previous video where he talked about doing division, and then come back and do the while loops. Now, there are other types of loops. There's also for loops, and there's also what we refer to as do while loops. Do while loops mean that you're going to do that thing, whatever's contained inside of that loop, at least once. And after that first time, you check to see, is there anything else, if that condition is still true, rather. And if it is, you do it again and you keep doing it. There's another loop called a for loop, and there's also for each. Now, for each means it will continue to do that over a collection. And so normally, like if you have a list or an array of numbers or strings, it will loop over the entire list. With a for loop, you actually put an iterator in there, and that counts the number of times, and you specify how many times that loop should run. Now, that's not necessary to know for the homework assignment. I'm just covering it because those are different types of loops that you will need to know when you are building future applications. This week's assignment only utilizes a while loop, so if you want to look into those others, do so at your free time. However, like I said, they're not relevant or related to actually doing the homework assignment. All right, so you have your assignment for this week. As always, be sure to post that on the message board. If you have any comments or questions in the meantime, either leave those questions here or post them on the message board, and I will do my best to get back with you with answers.